Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Wayu Klompong, together with Saliton Bretner and Siripon Kamontham, would like to present lifestyle and factors affecting the academic performance of the first year medical students in Thailand. In the beginning of medical students, the first year medical students need to adapt in various ways to cope with the demanding coursework. As a guideline for preparation and managing lifestyle, this research aims to study the factors may affecting the academic performance and to understand their way of life, provide, providing insights for those interested in pursuing this field. Methods. Data for the study were collected using questionnaire via electronic form in September 2024. The sample size of the study was 24 first-year students enrolled in various medical institutes in Thailand. Statistical analysis were conducted between dependent and independent variable with 95% confidence intervals to conclude. To obtain regression model correlation analysis was conducted to eliminate a redundant variable, and then the regression analysis was done using forward stepwise method to create a full model. Thereafter, stepwise regression was run to eliminate a variable with p-value larger than 0.05. Results: the first year medical students mostly read consistently and summarize their study material. On weekdays, most students read for 1 to 3 hours, while on weekend they read for 3 to 6 hours per day. Sleep patterns show that they typically sleep 6 to 8 hours, followed by those who sleep less than 6 hours and more than 8 hours, respectively. Most, most students relax through entertainment activities rather than music or sports significantly. Regarding extracurricular involvement, a majority participation in faculty activities occasionally were observed, followed by regular participation and very little involvement. Most students manage their stress through hobbies more than consulting friends or family, with significant differences. From the equation, positive correlation were observed between academic performance and time spent for reading and sleeping duration, respectively. However, strong negative correlation was detected between academic performance and frequency of participation in faculty activities. Moreover, students with high grades tend to address issues by consulting family more than talking with friends or engaging in hobbies, and summarizing the content and having breakfast exhibited low correlation with academic success. To conclude, academic performance of the first year medical students in Thailand was governed by time spent for reading, resting, and participating, respectively. Additionally, relaxing through entertainment activities were their outstanding lifestyle. For suggestion to increase R square. Additional factors may need to be included for consideration. Responsibilities beyond being a medical student, for example, part-time job, commute time to school, and physical and mental health condition.
So I really um, impressed because you are just high school student, right? And how come you get the information like to get to research in medical school? What kind of electronic form that you use and
Like
how you distribute to the university student?
like using Google Form and through my sister and my dad.
Okay. All right.
Uh, actually, I would like to ask additional from Azan Soraya question. So you think that various medical school that you distribute, is it included all um learning environments? I mean, do you distribute all medical schools like maybe in Bangkok and also in the local provinces like maybe Hat Yai or Ratchaburi?
Yeah, also in local.
Involved in all parts of Thailand, right?
About about 4 universities.
Okay. So the second question, as a high school student and maybe prospective medical students, do you think your research will what is key message in your from your research to prepare your friends or your junior high school students to prepare um, good medical students?
Again,
Or maybe if you want to be a first year medical student, what of the result of the research question tell you about how to adapt your lifestyle and prepare to be a resilient medical student?
like sleeping about 6 to 8 hours per day and reading 3 to 6 hours in weekend on weekend.
Hi. How did you come up with these questions that you got? I noticed in the conclusion you're then thinking of some more factors, but how did you come up with the original factors that you wanted to investigate?
Uh, Again, please.
Yeah. How did you choose those 9 questions to ask them? How did you choose those?
From the equation, like X2 is reading habit, like
So
and
why did you ask them about their reading habits?
because it could relate to their grade. Yeah, yeah.
The information, the literature, and choose then the topic about that topic.
Have we got time for one more? Yeah.
Thank you.
I was going to say I think it's a very important area to look at first year students and what supports their learning. Do you get a feeling for, does your findings reflect what's in the literature and other first year students?
Suggest.